Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename your AirTag to something else. You might be tracking maybe something different than what you originally intended for. Maybe you're tracking a wallet and now you're going to be tracking a luggage or a bike or something else. Whatever the case is, this is what you can do to rename it. So let's get started. So here I have this connected to my iPhone. This works best with the iPhone. So that's why I'm using your iPhone. And then what you're going to do is find the Find My app on your iPhone, which is the default app. So go. Now, once you open up Find My, it's going to look like this. And basically, you're going to go to where it says Items. And once you click on Items, basically, you're going to find the AirTag that you want to change the name to. I only have one, so it's listed as under the wallet. That is something maybe I want to change it to something else. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. And once you click on it, it's going to come up with a menu like this. And then you want to go down a little bit further all the way to the bottom where it says rename item. Now, if I click on rename item, now I can go ahead and rename or change the item that I'm tracking. Maybe in the past I was tracking a wallet. I can go track umbrella, luggage, keys, jacket, headphones, handbag, camera, bike, or book bag. Now, if you didn't want to track any of the listed item or you have something custom that you're tracking, you can also put a name here. So maybe you're tracking, let's see what we didn't have here. Maybe you're trying to track your laptop or something. Maybe you're putting in your laptop bag. So put laptop, right? And then you can change the emoji here. So I'm going to put laptop here. Again, doesn't matter what it is. And then you can hit done. And now basically I have changed it. As you can see here, the name has changed to laptop instead of the wallets, and then I can kind of use this AirTag in my laptop bag or attach it with my laptop, and nowhere I can go ahead and see that laptop itself with this tracking. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for iPhone accessories and any other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.